Hey folks, Mobile Geezer here with a quick unboxing and first look at ZTE's latest budget device, the ZTE Blade 10. So we'll take the unboxing knife and get this bad boy opened up. So what comes in the box? There's our SIM tool, our paperwork from ZTE, their thank you, our quick start guide, there's the phone. We'll put that aside for a moment. What else comes in the box? This is our charging cable, USB Type-C. And this should be our charging brick. It's 5-volt 1.5, should be fast charging. We'll unmount the phone and get our first look at it. So there's the phone, very shiny plastic back. There's our fingerprint sensor, little ZTE branding on the back. Dual rear cameras, 16 megapixel and 5 megapixel. Nice textured power button, different color, make it stand out. Volume up and down rockers on the right. On the left hand side, our SIM tray. Up top, we have a headphone jack. Nice that they included that. No, most people don't these days. And on the bottom, our Type-C and our bottom firing speaker. I can tell you the speaker sounds pretty good. 1080p display up front. Here it is next to my ZTE Axon 10 Pro, which is my current daily driver. Here it is next to my Blade V8 Pro from a few years ago. Of course, that's much chunkier, heavier, and thinness is still about the same. Get it powered on, and we'll get it set up. And now we're about to set up, and I'll get back to you in a moment. So here we are all set up. That 1080p display looks pretty good. I'll be taking it out and doing some testing over the weekend, and I'll come back and give you some settings, see how it feels. We'll test the fingerprint sensor. It seems to work pretty quick. ZTE tends to do things these days very much as stock Android, so very appreciative of that. This comes with Android 9 out of the box, so no word on whether we're going to get Android 10. I'll let you know as I find out. So the ZTE Axon 10 Pro and Blade 10 will be my daily drivers for the next little while. I'll use a few video clips and pictures just to show you what it's like. Just wanted to give you folks a little idea of what the video was like. Of course, on this ZTE Blade 10, it'll shoot at 1080p at its highest setting, and of course it's a mid-range budget device, so just wanted to give you guys a little example of what we'll do. So we'll go around, take a few pictures, shoot a little video on the back camera, and that'll be that. So here's a little video from the rear camera shooting at 1080p, 30 frames per second. And we'll just do a little quick pan around. Let you guys see what that looks like. Looking at the screen, the quality seems to be really, really nice. So we'll just take it over here, see what the ducks are doing. and I forgot to bring my monopod with me, so we're just handheld, so pardon my shakiness, but we'll certainly see what the stability is like. We're in the late afternoon sun here. Had a beautiful day working. It's 68 degrees right now. It's sunny and very few clouds in the sky. We'll go over here by the ducks, give you this quick example. And of course I'll be doing some comparisons with some of the other budget phones and probably some of the big time phones too. Ducks. Let's zoom in on them a bit. 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, and that's our max 4 times zoom. There's the fountain, which is flowing nicely today. Sorry about the traffic noise, I'm right by the street. Zoom back out. And I'll take a few pictures and that'll be that. So that's our first look at the ZTE Blade 10. Shout out to ZTE for getting this to me for a review. I believe the price is going to be $179. So I think you're getting really good bang for your buck. Of course, lots more camera samples and comparisons with other devices to come. As always, thanks for watching, and comments are welcome.